Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating my cozy corner and the theme is lemons. Come on with me, guys. So I am going to be using an apothecary jar that I filled with lemons, but first we have to clean it out and start fresh. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignette. And this is being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and Tablescapes by Candy. Now I do have some co-hosts, so let me go right ahead and mention them. So we have Z9 Designs, we have Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and Annalise Cupboard. Always remember that we follow YouTube etiquette whenever we are in a collaboration. So let's get started, guys. Now I am almost done here cleaning this apothecary jar, which by the way is a set of 2, and I thrifted it, and what a great buy it was. And so the lemons are clean, the apothecary jar is clean, so let's go ahead and fill it with lemons and then move it over to the side so we can finish cleaning the rest of the area. So I finished using that product that the Dollar Tree is carrying. I'm not a very big fan of it, but I just thought I would mention that. But we did get to wipe this stuff down, this area, and I cannot wait to do the decorating part. Okay, so I'm getting ready to show you this beautiful tier tray, and it was part of my collaboration, or my tier tray collaboration, and this one came out absolutely gorgeous. Well, they all did, but this one is appropriate for my cozy corner. So we pushed that onto the corner there, and then this lemon, this is ceramic here. It is gorgeous. I absolutely love it, had to have it, so that's going to go right next to that. So how beautiful is that apothecary jar with those lemons? I'm just loving it because that's what the theme is anyway, and it looks so beautiful. If I had enough lemons to fill the other apothecary jar, I would have used it, but one I think is enough because we have plenty for this area. Let's move on to the next one. Now I pulled down my stack of the Rae Dunn mugs, which I think is appropriate in between season changes, and it's white. and I absolutely love it. So that's going to go right next to the coffee pot. The Dollar Tree was carrying those signs that it was tea time, and this particular one was in a white frame, so I stuck that right in there. And then I brought my teapot with the teacups right next to that, and these beautiful little teaspoons that were gifted to me. Now the candle came from Bath and Body Works. Oh, how beautiful that smells. And the tea towel came from the Dollar Tree, and it has lemons and oranges on it. Perfect for this corner right here. So we're gonna get ready to light it. I think this corner came out absolutely beautiful, but I did forget something, and we'll come back to it. Here we are at the reveal. I did forget to put down the sugar bowl and the creamer cup, so that's going down, and then we're complete, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.